Today, we're going to learn how to create animal POV AI videos. Let's get started. We're going to copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Then we'll send it to ChatGPT. It will suggest 10 ideas for creating the video, and we'll choose one and send the idea number back to ChatGPT. And it will create everything for us. Now, to create the video, we're going to copy the image prompt. Then we'll go to the Google Flow website. We'll click on New Project, then click here and select Image 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. Then we'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the image finishes generating, for AI creators, creating great content is only half the job. As your audience grows, managing multiple accounts and workflows can quickly become overwhelming. That's where DuoPlus comes in. DuoPlus provides cloud Android phones that run directly in the cloud and can be controlled from your computer. Each cloud phone works independently, making it easy to manage multiple accounts securely from one place. Here you can see 3 cloud phones running at the same time on a single screen. Each one can be logged into a different social media account, helping you organize your content more efficiently. Another thing I like is how flexible the platform is. Since everything runs in the cloud, you can access your devices from anywhere without relying on multiple physical phones. This makes it much easier to stay organized and keep your workflow consistent. One of my favorite features is the AI agent. It can automate repetitive tasks across multiple cloud phones, saving you a lot of time and making your workflow much more efficient. DuoPlus also offers cloud numbers, making it easier to register and manage additional social media accounts without needing multiple physical SIM cards. Whether you're managing multiple content channels, testing new ideas, or growing your online presence, DuoPlus gives you the tools to work more efficiently and scale your content with less effort. If you'd like to learn more about DuoPlus, check out the link in the description. We'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 1 prompt. Then we'll return to Flow and click here and select Video, Frames, 9:16, Omni Flash, 8 seconds, and X1. Then we'll click on the image and select Animate. We'll paste the prompt and click Send. After the video is finished generating, we'll go to the last frame of this video and click Save Frame. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the Video 2 prompt. After that, we'll return to Flow, click on the image and select Animate. Then we'll paste the prompt and click Send. And that's it. Goodbye.